and fire strike in box 4533 for 103 Alita Road. Report of a structure fire on the second floor. Responding apparatus, engine 1, engine 3, lateral rescue in C2. I showed up by 27 Ena Road. Your hydrant locations are 33 and 104. 33 and 104 lead to your hydrant location.
C2 to fire alarm.
Yeah, it's from C2.
Engine 2 to fire alarm.
Stand by, engine 2. C2, go ahead.
Yeah, send both houses.
Okay, engine 2, you available?
Negative.
Okay. C2, engine 2 still tied up at one wind gate.
Okay, receive. Ladder's on.
Okay, receive ladder 1.
Engine 1, fire alarm, we got heavy fire showing.
Okay, receive. Engine 1, you have heavy fire showing. C2, you have that?
C2, I'll be up.
Okay, C2.
C2 to fire alarm.
Answering C2.
Yeah, it's going to be 2-story residential. Heavy fire on the A side of the building, second floor.
Okay, command your report on box 4533, a heavy fire, 2-story, A side of the building, second.
Go ahead, notify C1 on it. No.
Okay, PD report, everybody's out of the building there, deputy. Everybody's out of the building.
Ladder's on scene. Deputy, where do you like us? C1 on it. Ladder 1 to deputy, where would you like us? You can get up next to engine 1. Deputy, can we come around? Again with the message? Can the ladder make it behind the engine coming around? I believe so.
Fire alarms to command.
Command answer.
Deputy, do you want an extra engine, an extra ladder there where engine 2 and rescue 2 are tied up?
Yep, that's affirmative.
Okay, you want me to get your RIT team for there too?
Yeah, go ahead, strike the second alarm on it.
Okay, received. On the orders of C2, Deputy Conroy. Second alarm now, 103 Alita Road, box 4533.
Needham fire alarm, Westwood engine 5 responding to the second alarm. Engine 2 to C2. Engine 2 to C2, we're heading in where you want us. Yeah, come right down, Elisa. Either way is good. Are we all set with hydrants?
Fire alarm calling, Alita, command.
Command answer.
Command, I got Westwood fire the line. Do you want me to have them go straight to the fire where engine 2 is still tied up?
Engine 2 is responding. I just need a RIT team right now.
Okay, I'll have Westwood coming as the RIT team.
Engine 2 to C2, are you all set with hydrants? Yeah, we've established the water supply. We're all set with that. Westwood engine 5, need a fire alarm.
Answer, Westwood engine 5.
We're just about in your town now. Can we just have the street name?
Sure, it's Alita. A is Apple, L is in Lima, E is in Edward, G is in Tango, H is in Hotel, A is in Alpha. Alita Road.
Okay, the message.
100. Thank you.
Engine 100, C2. Answering 100. Deputy, we got the Victoria's fire knocked down. We'll be overhauled this time. Very good. Rescue 2 are going to be transferring ALSB. I need them.
Okay, Rescue 2, ALSB, I need him. Fire alarm to command.
Command answer.
Deputy, you want me to have a mutual aid ALS come in there to stand by?
That's a negative. Hold up.
Okay, we'll hold up. You got Westwood engine 5 coming as your RIT team.
Command engine 2. Go ahead. When you get here, you can grab a backup line for engine 1. Have it. Engine 100 to C2. Command answer. Somebody up down back to 1 and hill with me. We're going to need some spike balls for overhaul sailing. Okay, received. Command to engine 100. Engine 100. Yeah, we're going to be cutting a vent hole right over you there. Received, deputy. Jeff, we've got a window we can power vent out of. It's on the outer side. If we're clear at the power vent, it'll turn its way down to us. Commander 100. 100. Engine 2 is going to be on the backup line coming in. Engine 100 C2, we got fire in the attic. We're heading now. Okay, fire in the attic. Rush you two are out of the hospital. C1's up.
Fire alarm calling Elite for command.
Command answering.
Deputy, be advised, you're going to get a dead-arm ladder to the fire. I have Newton on the landline here. Do you want their ladder to cover us?
Yeah, you can have the incoming companies going to the stations. I'll take that one ladder, stage everybody else. We got them coming in.
Okay, we see. We'll have dead-arm ladder continue the fire. Other companies to provide mutual aid. You need anything else, Deputy, there? And C1's been notified, command. He's en route.
C1's on scene now.
Okay, C1's on scene. Very good.